is the report underscores that the Kaleshwaram project, intended as a lifeline of the state of Telangana, that is, you please, every word is important in the commission report law. The report, this is Justice P.C. Ghosh commission report. The report underscores that the Kaleshwaram project, intended as a lifeline of the state of Telangana, became a colossal waste of public money due to a profound failure of governance, planning, technical oversight, and financial discipline driven by the individual decisions and undue influence of political leadership. ఇది మీరందరూ కూడా చైతన్యవంతమైన తెలంగాణ మీడియా మీరు ఇది గమనించాలి. తెలంగాణ ప్రజలకి రైతులందరికీ తెలియజేయాలని విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తూ చివరిగా the Commission of Inquiry report dated 31st July 2025 pertaining to allegations of irregularities and embezzlement of public funds through corrupt practices in the construction of the Medigadda, Annaram and Sundilla barrages, the Kaleshwaram project, is now placed before the Council of Ministers. Today it was placed in the Council of Ministers. నేను ఈ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ కూడా కొంత తగ్గించి చెప్పాను. దాని సారాంశం, you want a copy of the presentation, we'll give it to you. Basically, the decision to shift from Tumadiya T to Medigadda was wrong. There was gross financial indiscipline and financial wrongdoings. Medigadda being filled up in a barrage was wrong. ఇటువంటి ఎన్నో కారణాల వల్ల మేడిగడ్డ బ్యారేజ్ కొలాప్స్ అయిపోయి తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రానికి తీరని అన్యాయం జరిగిందని చెప్పి జస్టిస్ ఘోష్ కమిషన్ లో చాలా చాలా క్లియర్ గా మెన్షన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. I will give you a copy of my PPT. Now I request the Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to continue. After that the CM will speak.